Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jinwoo from Solo Leveling. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 angles up and then curve it out and down. Then from the end, let's draw an angle back in. Next, let's hop on top in the center and let's draw another angle up. Then on top, let's draw a line across. Bring it down. And then curve it back in. And then let's color both of these in black. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve down and back up on both eyes. Then inside, let's draw a curve in and back out on the left. And then in the center, we're going to draw a circle behind. And then color these in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve. Then let's hop on top and let's draw one more angle on top of each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now on top, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with an angle up and out. Then from the center, a small angle up. And then curve it out to the ends. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now we're going to hop to the sides and let's draw a curve down. And then bring it back up for the first pieces of hair. And then let's draw another one a little bit longer next to it. Now that we have the side pieces of hair, let's move underneath and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 angles down. And then let's curve it down to the center, meeting at a point for the chin. And let's make sure we draw the face a little bit on the longer side. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down the center. And then another one underneath for the nose. Now let's move down again and let's draw 2 curves, leaving a gap in the center. And then a curve going up underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out to the sides and draw the ears. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. Then let's angle it back in and curve it up at the bottom. Now inside each of the ears, let's draw 2 curves at the top. And then underneath, let's curve it out and back in. Then at the bottom, let's curve it back out. And then one more line along the side. And that's it for the ears. Now we're going to move back in and finish drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center. We're going to hop over to the left and let's draw a curve down next to the eye. Then let's bring it back up from the bottom. Now on the right, let's draw another curve down and back up to add a piece in between the eyes like this. Now let's add another skinnier one next to it, bringing it down and back up. And then we're going to add the next piece by curving it the opposite way and back up like this. Now let's add another wider piece next to it on the right. And then one more to close off the right side. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw a piece on top of the eye. A skinny one next to it. And then one more curve down. Next, let's hop up to the top and we're going to draw the top of the head with a curve across. Now on the right, let's curve it up and back down. Now let's continue drawing the right side by curving it down and flicking it out at the end. And then let's curve it back in. Now underneath, let's draw another piece by bringing it down and back up. And then one more curve down to the ear. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw the left side by drawing a curve out and back in at the end. Now underneath, let's add a curved piece down and back in. Another one going downwards. And then let's curve it out and back in. And one more curve down to the ear. And that's it for the top part of the hair. Next, let's move down and let's draw the neck by drawing a curve down and out on both sides. And then let's add 2 angled lines inside. Now that we have the neck, we can finish drawing the back of the hair. Let's start underneath the left ear and let's draw a curved piece out and back in. And then another one curving it inwards and up. Now let's hop underneath the right ear and let's draw a piece curving it out. Another one next to it. And then curve it back into the neck. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and let's draw the shoulders. Let's start underneath the neck and let's draw 2 curves down and in, meeting in the center for the top of the shirt. Now on both sides, let's step up and let's draw an angle down. Now let's angle it down from the top. And then angle it down again on both sides. Now inside each of these pieces, let's draw another angle on the outside here. And then at the top, let's add a curve going outwards. Now that we have the collar, we can continue drawing the shoulders by angling it out and curve it down. And let's make sure it lines up with the line we drew from the neck. Now inside, let's add another angle down. And then one more line across the top. Lastly, let's hop up and let's draw the hood. On both sides of the neck, let's curve it out. And then curve it back down at the ends. And that's it for Jinwoo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!